Hi North Americans, I have some good news for you if you own a Mercedes. This week, Mercedes-Benz released a brand new software update for MBUX NTG6 and NTG5.5 navigations. All you need to do is go on mbretrofit.it, enter your VIN to see what head unit version you have, set up the USB using the official Mercedes download manager, plug it into your car, and finally purchase an activation code from us, and there you go. You're ready to start using your brand new navigation. This update includes all cars from 2017 and above, such as the W213 E-Class like the one I have here, or the W205 C-Class, and so on. Like I said before, entering your VIN on our website should do the trick. But if you want a more in-depth guide or need additional help, go on mbretrofit.it and visit our guide pages, which you can find linked in the video description. We also post additional videos here on YouTube that you can take a look through to assist you. Happy holidays! I have a present for you. This December period, we have slashed prices site-wide. Just enter your VIN onto our website, mbretrofit.it, and see what offers we have in store for you. Pre-2019 map updates are down to 40 euros. MBUX cars down to 80 euros. But wait, there's more. If you browse through the internet or post about us in forums, you'll discover some extra coupon codes to stack on top of that. Check the link in the video description. Sale ends January 1st. A common question I see asked is why should you bother to update your navigation software? Or why not just use Carplay or Android Auto? While internet-connected navigation software like Google Maps or Waze do have the latest up-to-date data, it solely relies on the internet connection of your phone and a GPS signal. First off, some Mercedes cars do not even have Android Auto or CarPlay enabled. You can contact us at contact@mbretrofit.it to help. And secondly, your phone's GPS does not compare to the level of accuracy inside your car. Tunnels won't work, if your SIM card provider has poor signal, maps won't even work at all, and so on. The Mercedes navigation will always work. Always. I promise. It is important to have the utmost reliability when driving. And did you also know your navigation system affects your fuel economy? An outdated map might calculate a route that looks short on distance, but takes you through a new residential zone with 10 speed bumps and stop signs, or roads that just do not exist anymore. A new map update knows that a new shortcut has opened. It might be 1 kilometer longer, but it allows you to maintain a constant speed, which burns significantly less fuel than stop-and-go driving. And then, if you do the math, over a year of driving, taking the most efficient routes can save you more in fuel than the cost of the update itself. And if your car has modern safety features like traffic sign assist or Distronic Plus, which is adaptive cruise control, these systems do not just rely on the camera. The camera reads the speed limit sign, yes, but the computer cross-references that with data in your navigation system. If the camera misses a sign, the car defaults to the map data. If your map data is old, your car might think the speed limit is 100, when it has been actually lowered to 80. The car might accelerate when it shouldn't, which isn't safe. Updating the map literally updates the brain of your safety systems. So it's not just about finding the nearest Italian restaurant, it's about efficiency, financial value, and the intelligent operation of your Mercedes vehicle. With that being said, it's worth to check what version of navigation you have currently installed. For NTG5.5, there have been over 30 software updates released for the North American region alone. Imagine your car has the first version installed from when you first purchased your car. MB Retrofit makes it easier than ever to learn how to update your car, because it really isn't that hard. Do not believe the absurd prices you get when you visit a dealer. Some dealers charge up to 500 euros for a software update, when we only charge 10% of that price, or less if you visit mbretrofit.it during our Christmas sale. All you need is a 64GB USB stick and a computer. Let me quickly explain how it's done. Remember, all of our written guides, video and text are present on our website mbretrofit.it and in the video description so you can follow along as best as possible. Go to your car and find out the VIN, or also called the chassis number. It is 17 letters combined of letters and numbers. You can usually find it on your car's windshield in a corner or on your registration documents. Then open mbretrofit.it and enter your VIN. After registering for your account, you will enter our car lookup page. This page gives you some basic information for your car. If you pay for a full lookup, you can see service history, vehicle feature codes, etc. All explained on our website. However, you will also see a warning to update your map navigation. By clicking on it, you will see your car's NTG version and then you can pick your desired region. We recommend you manually check what NTG version you have too, because our system is not always accurate. Now that you know your NTG version, pay close attention here to see what format your USB needs to be. In the case for NTG5.5 and MBUX NTG6, it is NTFS. Then download the Mercedes Download Manager using the link below, and while it's installing, visit the File Explorer. Find your USB drive, right-click your mouse, and click on Format. Pick the correct format for the map update as explained on our website. This is crucial so your car can actually understand the map update data. After it is formatted, open the Mercedes DLM. Pick the correct region you want, then the correct NTG version of your car, and then click Update. Now it is downloading the map update data and putting it on your USB. If you encounter any issues, make sure your main computer hard drive has at least 64 GB of space and that you are already using the correctly formatted USB drive. Once the DLM has finished, plug the USB into your car. And if you did everything correctly, it will prompt you for a software update. After navigating through the menus, you'll be asked for an activation code to begin the update. Go back to mbretrofit.it and click on the map update button in your car lookup, or just enter your VIN again. You can then easily purchase a map activation key and can insert into your car to begin the update. Make sure your car has at least ignition on, but I recommend you go for a drive while it installs. And there you go. That's all you need to do. If we ignore how long it takes to download the map data, this took less than 5 minutes. Pretty cool, right? And you don't need to go to any dealer to get this done or get quoted a dump price. There's one more thing I want to mention. If you have an MBUX NTG6 car, please, and I mean please, make sure your car has a navigation button in the head unit interface before you purchase a code from us. MBUX cars need to have a navigation license that mostly comes from the factory, but in some cases, you need to enter your Mercedes-Me app or pay your car to it and purchase a map license from the Mercedes-Me shop. This will enable remotely the ability to install a navigation update in your car. If you also have an imported car from Asian regions, the map update will not work. You will need to manually replace your head unit with one from your desired region. You can read all this information mentioned in this video in further detail on our website mbretrofit.it. Or you can contact me personally at contact@mbretrofit.it. I am the sole developer of this website and always want to make sure that all customers that come to me have the best experience. Happy holidays! I have a present for you. Want to take a look? What is that? That's right, this December period we have slashed prices site-wide. Just enter your VIN onto our website, mbretrofit.it, and see what offers we have in store for you. Pre-2019 map updates are down to 40 euros. MBUX cars down to 80 euros. But wait, there's more. If you browse through the internet or post about us in forums, you'll discover some extra coupon codes to stack on top of that. Check the link in the video description. Sale ends January 1st. Thank you for watching this video. Feel free to visit our YouTube channel to watch more videos and subscribe so you can follow along to the new things we're going to release here in these upcoming months.